Strawberry crochet bag tutorial. A practical and easy to hook strawberry. Let's start making it together. Single strand crochet and a 2.0mm crochet needle. Start with chain stitches. The chain stitch doesn't count as a stitch. Start with 30 chain stitches. Connect with the first stitch to form a ring. Then, stand up 3 chain stitches, and hook 1 stitch for each stitch, and hook 10 double crochet stick this. You can press the thread together when crocheting. This is the first double crochet stitch. This is the second double crochet stitch. Finish the remaining 8 by yourself. After 10 double crochet stick this are completed. Then stand up 3 chain stitches. Turn the fabric over. There are 9 stitches left. And hook 2 double crochet stick this in each stitch. The second double crochet stitch. This completes 1 stitch. Finish the remaining 8 stitches yourself. Finish and chain 1 stitch, then cut the thread. You need to crochet to chain stitches. Pull the thread back and make 3 standing stitches in the same stitch. Then hook 2 double crochet stick this unfinished stitch. That is, the double crochet stitch is only unthreaded once. There are 3 loops on the hook, and pass the yarn once, and 2 chain stitches as intervals. Next group, leave 2 double crochet stick this empty and hook. There are 4 loops on the hook, and pass the thread through once. Then continue to leave 2 double crochet stick this unfinished stitches. Yarn over. This is the third set. Finish the remaining 6 groups by yourself. After 9 groups, finish the remaining 6 groups by yourself. After 9 groups, finish the remaining 8 groups by yourself. After completing the whole row, directly connect to the gap of the first group. Slip stitch. Make 2 standing double crochets in the same stitch. 2 incomplete double crochet stick this. Pass the needle once with the thread. 2 chain stitches interval. Crochet 8 groups of chain stitches are all in the chain stitches stitch intervals. 3 incomplete double crochet stick this. 2 chain stitches intervals. Finish the remaining 6 groups by yourself. After 8 groups, don't leave a gap in the middle. Ignore it. Directly hook the next interval. 3 incomplete stitches. Finish the remaining 7 groups by yourself. After completion, hook the next round, and become 7 groups. The same method, decreasing in turn. First, make a slip stitch in the gap. The crochet method is the same as the previous round. After completing the 7 groups, leave the middle empty. When there are 4 groups left on one side, stop the pattern and draw up in the first gap. Stand up 2 stitches. Next, a double crochet stitch and complete stitch in the next gap. A strawberry bag is done.